Most people think a lush garden needs constant watering. They're wrong. There's a secret list of plants that thrive when you practically ignore them. And today, we're exposing all 42 of them. Ready to outsmart the heat? Lantana bursts with color and thrives in full sun. This vine-like bloomer attracts butterflies and blooms non-stop through summer, even in scorching heat. Coneflower, or echinacea, is a cheerful perennial that laughs in the face of dry spells. It blooms in bold shades like purple, red, and orange, and is a pollinator magnet. Yarrow is a rugged perennial with ferny foliage and colorful blooms. It pairs perfectly with tulips in spring and black-eyed Susans in summer. Lavender brings charm and fragrance to dry landscapes. Its purple blooms and pollinator power make it a no-brainer for sun-soaked spots. Sage, especially Russian and meadow varieties, adds spiky blooms in violet tones. It thrives on neglect. Red emu bush provides striking reddish-pink flowers in cooler months and fills in empty spaces beautifully. Shrubby germander is ideal for borders and window fronts, with silver foliage and electric blue blooms that light up early spring. Lamb's ear has soft, fuzzy leaves and loves full sun in dry climates, though it does spread, so plant with care. Butterfly weed produces clusters of orange blooms and is a favorite of monarch butterflies. It blooms long and needs barely any attention. Russian sage thrives in hot, dry weather, with tall, fragrant stems covered in soft purple blooms. Rosemary isn't just useful in the kitchen. This evergreen herb loves dry soil and sun and grows into a handsome landscape shrub. Stonecrop, or sedum, holds water in its thick leaves. It's tough, comes in many forms, and gives bright, long-lasting flowers. Black-eyed Susans are golden classics that bloom boldly through heat and dryness with low maintenance. Bearded iris provides elegant spring flowers and does well even in sandy, dry soil once established. Bougainvillea brings tropical vibes with vibrant blooms and barely needs water once it's rooted. Trumpet vine is a fast-growing climber with bold orange-red flowers that thrive in the sun. Asters gives you late-season color, standing tall through dry spells and drawing in pollinators. Sweet potato vine adds dramatic foliage in lime or purple. It grows fast and covers ground or containers easily. Agave makes a dramatic sculptural impact. It's the ultimate low-water plant and comes in striking forms. Summer snapdragon blooms longer than regular snapdragons and performs well in heat and drought. Dianthus blooms in cooler seasons, but can push through dry summers with their sweetly scented petals. Salvia offers long-lasting blooms in vibrant hues. Pollinators love it, and drought doesn't bother it. Honeysuckle may need water early on, but once it's established, it perfumes the garden and keeps blooming. Catnip brings lavender-like blooms all summer. It's perfect for edging and resists pests. Creeping Jenny covers ground quickly with golden green foliage and can handle both sun and light drought. Bergenia is a shade lover that still copes with dry spells. Its blooms and big leaves add structure. Coreopsis is perfect for beginners. It loves sun, needs minimal care, and gives bright daisy-like flowers for months. Hardy geranium fills garden beds with mounds of foliage and pretty flowers. It handles sun, shade, and dryness with ease. Juniper is a landscaping staple. Whether tall or ground-hugging, it handles dry conditions and poor soil like a champ. Oregano isn't just for cooking. Its dry tolerance and tiny blooms make it a great ornamental shrub. Hellebore thrives in dry shade, giving early spring color in pink, purple, and cream. Marigold blooms all summer long and is a pest-repelling powerhouse, tough enough to push through dry spells. Sannalina looks like a soft silvery bush, but holds strong against dry weather with bright yellow button-like blooms. Butterfly bush lives up to its name with spiky flowers that pollinators love. It's low care and drought hardy. Yucca is bold, architectural, and drought-proof. Its sharp leaves and tall blooms add drama to dry gardens. Blanket flower thrives in dry soil with non-stop blooms in hot colors all the way into fall. Beard tongue or penstemon features spiky flowers in a range of shades. It's a natural for Xeriscaping. Aloe is more than just a houseplant. Outdoors, it loves sun and dry soil. Plus, it's useful in skincare. Bee balm adds color and pollinators to sunny gardens. It's tolerant of some dryness and blooms into fall. Hens and chicks are tiny succulents that survive with almost no water. They multiply quickly and make rock gardens pop. Blue fescue is a compact grass with icy blue foliage. It's perfect for borders and tough against dry soil. Pink muley grass adds soft, airy texture with its cotton candy-like plumes. Plant in clusters for a stunning, tall, and late summer effect. These 42 plants prove you don't need a sprinkler to have the best yard on the block. For more smart gardening hacks, make sure to subscribe and like, and stay tuned. Your dream garden is just getting started.